Whenever a newborn baby cries soon after birth, baby's mother and doctor becomes completely calm because it ensures that the child is safe and healthy. But do you know that why a newborn baby starts crying immediately after birth? And why do doctors hold the baby upside down, firmly around his legs, and then slap the butt gently? And what happens if baby does not cry after birth? So let's know in this video. When a baby starts crying soon after birth, that is a good sign for everyone that the baby is safe and well. But you will be surprised to know that a newborn baby does not breathe at all from the beginning of life in the mother's womb to till 9 months. Then, how does a newborn survive in the mother's womb? Actually, from when a new life begins to the time the baby's physical body is fully developed, it receives all the nutrition in the mother's womb through her mother. Food flows from the mother to the newborn through the umbilical cord tube connecting the mother and the newborn. It is a fairly complex and elaborate composition that connects the mother and the newborn and creates a path of exchange between them. Oxygen, protein, carbohydrates, fat and other food items are transported from mother to the baby through this tube. When all these food elements enter the baby's body, they are used there in various ways and energy is created by this food. And this energy helps in the development of the baby's physical body. And in the same way, many types of waste products are also made in the newborn's body. And all those waste products come from the newborn to the mother's body through the same umbilical cord tube. All this process lasts for 9 months until the baby's body is fully formed. And after birth, when the newborn comes out from the mother's womb, immediately the baby starts crying. But why does newborn cry immediately after birth? Because when the newborn lives in the mother's womb, baby's lungs are completely inactive. At that time, the baby is completely dependent on the mother's body for oxygen and other food items. But as soon as the newborn is separated from the mother's body, at that time, the infant has to use his own system to run his body actively. One of the deepest habits of our body is breathing, the second is drinking water, and the third is eating food. On the basis of these three main substances, our body becomes active and goes on to a full life. And similarly, breathing is the deepest habit of a newborn immediately after birth. But at that time, the lungs of a newborn baby are completely dysfunctional or inactive because the baby's lungs contain a fluid called amniotic fluid. In such a condition, the newborn baby starts crying loudly to activate its lung and to run its life. And because of this loud crying and applying tremendous pressure on his lungs, the water in his lungs come out and his lungs become active. But nowadays, with the help of advanced technology, this work has become much easier. With the help of a vacuum pump, the doctors remove the amniotic fluid present in the lungs of the baby's body. And because of this, the baby does not have to work hard to force his lungs. Once a newborn's lungs become active, its system begins to function in the external environment and the infant becomes fit to survive. But after birth of a newborn, why do the doctors hang the baby upside down and beat him slightly? This not only causes slight pain to the child, but the motion also helps to loosen any residues that might be obstructing the airways. Constantly doing so can irritate the child enough to begin crying. But nowadays, doctors do not keep the newborn upside down in this way because with the help of advanced technology to help the newborn to breathe freely. But what happens when a newborn baby does not cry after birth? Actually, when a newborn baby does not cry after birth, then it becomes a big problem for everyone because no one knows that what stage the baby is in. There can be two situations. The first situation in which the newborn is completely dead, or the second situation in which the newborn tries to inhale and cry but cannot do this. When the baby cries, it is the clear sign that the lungs of the baby are fully functioning and the baby is fully fit. Also, there can be other condition in which the baby is completely healthy but he is not able to cry. The baby can move all the legs and hands. In many cases, it has been found that the newborn does not immediately cry. Baby takes little time to cry. If the baby is not crying and its body color is constantly changing, then the doctor has several methods to make the baby fully healthy. By shifting the newborn to the ICU, baby is also assisted in breathing by artificial methods so that the body gets sufficient amount of oxygen and all its cells could function properly and the baby can survive. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.